decorations will only stall the transformation. You become art. How could they even start to see beyond your presentation when they've got no imagination? But I admit it would be easier to be relieved of all this shame and not have to wear it on my sleeve. I imagine it's quite nice for you to have so many chances, oh so many ways to be redeemed. But as for me, I can only be forgiven if I'm giving myself up to you on a silver serving tray. Must I bear myself to the stabbing of your knife and gnashing teeth while our lovely company appears so entertained? Ah, yes, good etiquette demands I remain soft and accessible in the face of my own ending. So I will try to be discreet. Through my full-blown implosion, I'll stay golden and retreat into my sweetest fantasy. The one where you are crying and I don't do anything at all. The one where you are crying and I don't do anything at all. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. My world has turned so cold, but I won't cry, 'cause icicles don't soften when they die. So why should I, why should I? Oh, icicles don't soften when they die. They sharpen into sabers and they stab you in the eye. Icicles don't soften when they die. They sharpen into sabers and they stab you in the eye. Oh, oh, icicles don't soften when they die. They sharpen into sabers and they stab you in the eye. Icicles don't soften when they die. They sharpen into sabers and they stab you in the eye, in the eye, in the
As an American,
So like, I guess I call it the sophomore slump. Always crying and always
drunk.
a few dead, more gone, the rest well on their way.
Thanks. I hate it.
So everyone that I love is stuck because this, that, the other, and the state fucked up. We covered it in a class that I'm about to fail. Well, I feel better now.
Oh, wow.
Cigarette Ahegao.
I haven't had another episode except last night was touch and go.
No need to cry about it.
hey incels, just have sex.
Duh.
Trash on the walls and trash on the floor. Liquid eyeliner stuck to the door, screwing everything up, doing everything wrong. In my defense, I wasn't supposed to be around this long, so well, I feel better now. Cigarette Ahegao. No need to cry about it.
I don't smoke. I just like how it smells.
Get thin on smoking coffee. Get fat on pie and biscuits. God bless this perfect shitstorm. I hope that it takes me with it. I have a soft, small body. Strawberries make it happy.
Someday I'll leave the country. I hope to have you with me. Get wrecked on Bekarovka. Get fucked on smoke and wine. Someday